When that's done, I have prepared for them two little books, and I asked them to write into these books four things. The categories are something I've learned. It means I didn't know it coming into the room. I've learned it. Something I've relearned. I knew it coming into this room, but now I know it at a much deeper level. Something that surprised me. I absolutely did not expect this, and poof, there it was. I was surprised by that. And something that intrigues me out of the conversation we just had, I want to think about this much more deeply. And so the couple takes a moment to write something learned, something relearned, a surprise, an intrigue. And when they're done writing, I listen to them because the learnings, relearnings, surprises, and intrigues are from a very new dimension. The couple has really entered by sharing their dreams and aspirations and by having their story told into new territory.